Hello! Today we're just going to be playing a game. This is a new start for the YouTube channel. So we're just playing, whoops, let me show you the name of the game. Bird Climb. Sorry for the ads. As you can see, I've already got a couple birds. If you're a starter person, I'd recommend you to get the duck, save up for the duck. I can't remember exactly how many coins it is, but let me just show you where it is. These three lines here. There's three lines here. This one, the first one. Then another one that is free, but you need to install the game. Then the owl on that side. You just have to go up one, and then there'll be the duck. I recommend you to play this game because it's very fun. As you can see, the duck is very smooth. It's very fun to play with too. I like playing with the duck. I've got a couple of birds. I need to buy more. I don't think much people play this game and upload it, so that's why I decided to make these games. This is part 1. Hope you enjoy it. We're just gonna do a couple matches, then we're done. Sorry about the noises. There's always noises here. As you can see, we're getting good gameplay. It's just the beginning. Okay. Just ignore the noise, please. Whoops. Start again. The noise is really annoying for me too. I'm very sorry about it. Why are these people always invisible when I want to play with them? So yeah, this is the duck. This can count as a review on the duck for starter players. Soon there's going to be more videos for advanced players. There's going to be random gameplay. Let's try to get different games in it, because I'm not just going to be able to play with every single bird, because I haven't got every single bird, but still, we're going to try our best to make our videos good. And I lost again. I'm not going to play too much matches. I actually won. So yeah, the duck is pretty fun to play with too. I've got these two. I'm going to get the one here. Don't know where it is yet. But if you want something else, on this row, you see at the top there will be a bee or something, or bug. At the top row here, you can get it, but you need the middle one. It's not fun, but the noise is kind of annoying, so you might want to get the bee instead. The duck and the bug are pretty good and smooth to play with. But if you're more advanced, there'll be different ones. Like if you're better at the game in different ways. I'm pretty good, but I'm not advanced. I just like buying them. We're getting pretty high. I wanna break my high score. I think it's 18. Yep, that's not that high. People have got to 100. But that was actually amazing the first time that I saw someone on 100. I was like, that's not fair. How did they beat me? I think I had like 15 just like that. I have 14. Or 16 even. I wanted to beat my high score, that's why. But he got 110, I think it was. A lot of jumps. I like the ones that don't nod their head too much, because then you can hit on these bits, on these guys with the eyes. Oops. Okay, I'm going to use one of the advanced ones. You'll see that's really fun to play with and it's very smooth. Those are the 3 ones that we're going to review. We don't want this too long. And this one, oh, let me show you where it is. On the last row, next page, the first one. On the next page, this first one here. And let's go. Because he doesn't nod his head too much. Oh, he lost on the first one. So sad. Oh man, he should have tried. This one is very smooth too to play with. He gets pretty high. And his noise is just peaceful for me. Not too noisy neither if you put the volume up. And also, like I said, he doesn't nod his head too much. Whoops, I almost... Oh, never mind. I only got up to 8. Ugh, these ads. I only got up to 1. I think he was a newbie. That means that he's new for the game. Okay guys, thanks for... If you did watch this video, thank you. Don't forget to like the video and even possibly subscribe. I don't need any comments, but you can comment if you want. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.